Giraffe support usually stops responding when tickets don't attach correctly to your account, or when the app can't verify your device session. That means your message never fully reaches the support queue, so you don't get replies. By the end, you'll know how to fix Giraffe support not responding, including what to change in your app, your device, and your message so your request actually gets processed. First thing to understand is where support requests go. Giraffe doesn't handle everything directly inside the app. A lot of support tickets go through connected systems tied to your email and device ID. If that link breaks, replies never show up. Start by checking your email inbox properly. Search for Giraffe, and also check spam or promotions folders. If replies are there, the issue isn't support ignoring you, it's your email filtering them incorrectly. Next, reopen the app and make sure you're logged into the same account you used when sending the request. A lot of users switch Google or Apple logins without noticing, and support responses end up tied to a different profile. If everything matches, force reset the app connection. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Giraffe, force stop, then open it again. This rebuilds your session token, which is what support systems use to recognize your device. If support still looks silent, resubmit your ticket but keep it short and structured. Include your user ID inside the app, the exact issue, and the device model. Long messages or missing IDs often don't get routed properly in reward apps like this, because they rely on automated filtering before a human ever sees it. Another fix is switching networks before sending a request. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, reopen the app, and resubmit. Some support gateways fail to attach requests when IP addresses change mid-session. Also make sure your app is fully updated. Older versions sometimes break the support module, even if gameplay still works normally. If none of that works, reinstall the app and log in again before sending a new request. That forces a fresh device registration, which is often required for support systems to recognize your account correctly. Giraffe support not responding usually comes down to a broken account link, email filtering, or a failed ticket submission, rather than actual support delays. Fixing those connection points usually restores replies quickly. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fixes for reward apps and payout issues.